Hey, we got 11 minutes. This is the first Saturday of the month. Up 12:50. 10 minutes. Up 12:51. 9 minutes. It's not going to be loud in the backyard, right? Usually loud up front. That's just how sirens work. Up 12:52. 8 minutes. Any minute now. Hey Mom, it could be any minute now.
Yep, it could be.
Oh, looks like when it's over, I'm gonna have to put my tablet on charge. But anyways, it's 12:53, so in 7 minutes. So when it's over, I'm gonna have to put this on charge. Save some battery. And also another thing is, just because of what happened on Tuesday. But I think it's probably gonna go off. Oh, 12:54. 6 minutes. Oh, 12:55. 5 minutes. Just afraid that it won't go off today. But I'm sure it will. I am sure of it. I got to hear it on Tuesday. But it was an emergency, for real. Oh, 12:56. 4 minutes. And then at the end, it's probably gonna be like, have a nice Labor Day, a good rest of your Labor Day weekend. Four minutes means it could be any time right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it stays on. Oh, 12:57. 3 minutes. Up, 12:58. 2 minutes. Now I remember, it could go off late. Because I know what state I live in, which is Tennessee. Sometimes they're late for things. Miss Ashley's probably gonna have a story for me. Just like last time when it went off. Up, 12:59.
Alright, it's almost
1 minute. It could be any second now. These tests are taken very seriously. Oh, it's time.
Okay.
So just give it a minute.
Yeah.
I hear the one at Chapman's. You hear it, Mom? Oh my gosh, it's loud. Woohoo! Yes, yes, yes! Oh my gosh. Let me see, what time is it now? How many did you hear?